I wanted to sort of say, what do I bring to the table, and what is the purpose of my videos, and what do I feel that I'm offering you. Hi everyone. Excuse the hair, which is getting longer, I must say, and I'm possibly due for a bit of a haircut, trim at least. But I did, but why am I doing that these days? I do not know, but I am. I did brush my hair. The mayor's been all over my head. If you can see Amaya right now, and she seems to be quite comfortable in whatever position she is behind me, so I'm not going to ruffle her, well, I can't say feathers because she doesn't have feathers, but you get it. I'm not going to ruffle her feathers at this particular point while she's been relatively still. She doesn't tend to be very still, and I was thinking to myself, you know, doing quality videos with my snakes, and I see so many people out there that do incredibly good quality videos in terms of the video viewing aspect of it. Me, I'm not that good at it, and I will never claim to be. I have just bought myself, and I've done a video, a ring light to see if lighting will get a better picture of better quality picture of my snakes as well, but I'm not a what is the word, a filmmaker at all. I just picked up the camera and I do videos, but I really hope that a lot of the times, even though the quality of the video picture itself may not be amazing, and I apologize for that, my snakes move and they never stop. I don't have a massive space here to film in. I mean, I have a big enough space, but when you've got carpet pythons who don't stay still, they just never want to stay still, it is so hard to stop them from blurring or, you know, going out of focus on me. So I got the rim light hoping that there'll be less of that in the actual videos. So yes, I have Amaya, my albino Darwin carpet python. Of course, carpet python. Yes, I have other species. But yeah, really, I wanted to sort of say, what do I bring to the table, and what is the purpose of my videos, and what do I feel that I'm offering you. You as my viewers, you know, give me amazing support by watching and of course leaving comments for me, asking me questions, all sorts of things like that, and friendship. You know, a lot have offered friendship within that as well. But what do I offer you? What is it that I feel my videos, among so many videos related to snakes and reptiles, and I don't have other reptiles, I do only have snakes, and I don't plan on having any other reptiles except my snakes, because they take up a lot of my time, and I just know I don't have a lot of time left once I've spent time with them and so forth. And that's what I do. I spend a lot of my time with each of my snakes. So getting back to what is it that I have to offer that is different, I guess, or am I the same as so many other reptile channels out there? And I really don't put myself in the category of being the same as a lot of reptile channels, and I'm not saying that those other channels have nothing to offer and that they're terrible. So don't watch them, just watch me. Hey, just watch me. But because I watch a lot of them too. I watch some that are very small YouTubers, and I watch some that have, you know, 1 million subscribers, and I enjoy everyone in between as well. So what I feel is different about me is I don't and am not one to, I guess, show you my snakes as being what are the words? I'm terrible with words, guys. Just as a species, as that I'm breeding this one with that one, or, you know, even a lot of the time I don't do videos about their specific care needs, because, and now you're not choking me with your tail or anything, but you've got my necklace wrapped round your tail for your security, don't you? But to show you a different side of how you can care for your snakes beyond housing them, heat. Where are you going? Heat. I just wanted to loosen up this tail for me so the necklace doesn't. There we go. But yeah, to show you a different way, and a way that works with caring for snakes, that actually living with them, actually pretty much, I would say, for me, and I'm in a position to be able to do it too, remember that, I can get up every day and be with my snakes every day, be doing something with them every day. And that isn't cleaning them or cleaning out their enclosure or doing just their water or feeding them. That is actually spending physical time with them every day of the week. And there is not a day that doesn't go by that I don't spend time with one or the other of them, all three of them in a day, depending on what's happening. Yesterday I had Archie out, I had Ishi out, I did have Amaya out because she just shed. And I really don't know how well the camera is, or that lighting is allowing you to see her colours, but I will bring her closer so that you can see her a bit more. But even that isn't what I'm about when it comes to my snakes. I don't get up and see them as necessarily, you know, Amaya is a Darwin carpet python and she is an albino. I try and show you them with personalities, with the ability to learn. And I've, done many videos showing you what I've taught my snakes. And I've always said what they've taught me along the way as well. So it is a two-way street. I've been able to learn because they've shown me what they like and what they don't like, and what they would like me to do, and so forth. It's just, I guess, in me to be able to pick up on that. I think everybody to some degree has the capacity to do that if they stop and observe, and they want to learn the behaviours of their snakes. And I'm sure that in little ways everybody has, by how they approach them. Some prefer this and some prefer that, and so on, and may know little individual small things about each and every one of their snakes. But I like to go way beyond that, and then I like to bring it to you and share that with each and every one of you. Of course, many people who watch my channel don't actually have snakes in their life, but certainly are interested in them and want to learn about them. A lot of people have feared them, and I have a video to put up responding and giving you some reasons that people have feared them, and some of them I never really even considered, so it was really good to get other people's views on why they fear snakes. So that's what I hope I bring to each and every one of you, is just a little different way of having snakes in your life, seeing snakes a little bit differently than I can tell you a lot of people see them, and hoping that more and more people will maybe take some of what I'm saying and bring that into play with their own snakes. I would want that more than anything, actually, for people to study their snakes' behaviours and understand their snakes as individual animals, and not, as I've said so many times, all of the same, because they're just not. I have many videos where I've shown you my toilet trained snakes. As much as I have tweaked their brain to understand that and to learn that, they've been able to pick up on that and then show me now that they need to go to the toilet. I don't have to guess it. I just know that's what they're telling me now. So they can learn. You can train them. Not just hook train them. You can train them in many ways. To come to you when you call them is another thing. For them to know their name as well. They can learn that. Very much so. And I'm not saying you can teach a snake to sit, drop and stay like you can a dog, but you can teach them some manners. So I hope you will all continue to enjoy my videos and what I do bring to you by doing them. But I also want you to know that I'm a person and I care about people as well as friends. And I may never get to meet many of you but many of you have definitely become a friend in my life through my videos, and I hope that I am a friend to you as well. So guys, Amaya's just cruising along. She'll hang here while I clean up. She's made a mess, so I'll clean it up for her before she goes home. But I must tell you, I cleaned it all out yesterday for her, and today she's decided I'll make another mess for you to clean up, and just love her for it. And I've also am going to do this tub for Archie, so he can have a little bit more space. I just need to get oh my goodness, Oscar to grow a little bit more so I can switch him up to a bigger enclosure and Archie can take over his. So guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes. Even though we haven't seen much of Amaya's little face here, she does not like those bright lights, guys, so I don't blame her for wanting to be facing the other way all the time. Take care of all your animals. Ciao.